7 days in a week. What is that? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, all the spellings. What is the today's date? Sunday. Sunday spelling Sunday. Sunday. Like that. Monday. Like that. You have to learn all the days names and the month names also. Yes, this is which month? Which month? Fifth month. Fifth month means what is that? Fifth month of the year? May. M-A-Y. May. Okay, children. S Sunday spelling Sunday. 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 And note down the date and day also, children. Okay. Note down date and day also. Wherever you write, you mention date and day also. Okay. That is good habit. Okay, children. Yes, what is the day? Sunday. Sunday spelling Sunday. Sunday. Yes, what is the month? May. M-A-Y. May. Which month? Fifth month. Okay. Fifth month name? May. And next sixth month? June. And what is the before month and after? You learn like that. Okay, children? Yes. Now, yesterday I thought sentence. What is a sentence? Yesterday I thought about sentence. What is a sentence? Tell me. Yes, anybody? Yesterday you missed the class, you note down. Today I want to write again. What is a sentence? You have to write note down. Sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which are meaningfully arranged. Meaningfully arranged. Yes, children, a sentence, S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E, sentence. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E, sentence. I-S is group spelling, G-R-O-U-P, group, O-F-R, W-O-R-D-S, words, group of words, W-H-I-C-H, which, W-H-I-C-H, which, A-R-E-R, M-E-A-N-I-N-G, meaning F-U-L-L-Y, fully, meaning fully, M-E-A-N-I-N-G, F-U-L-L-Y, meaning fully. Yes, pronunciate the words meaningfully. Arrange, A-R-R-A-N-G-E-D, arrange. A-R-R-A-N-G-E-D, arrange. Okay, children, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which are meaningfully arranged. Yes, write that one example also. The cow gives us milk. What is the sentence? The cow gives us milk. This is one of the sentence. This is correct sentence only. The cow gives us milk. And what should you follow in this sentence? Every sentence starts with capital letter and ends with full stop. But if it is a question, you give question mark. If it is a question, you give question mark. Or if it is exclamatory, you give exclamatory mark. Okay, children? Yes. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which are meaningfully arranged. And note down this example also. The cow gives us milk. The cow gives us milk. Here, first letter, capital letter, and ends with full stop. Yes, every sentence starts with capital letter and ends with full stop. And if it is a question, you give question mark, and you give exclamatory means you give exclamatory mark. Okay, children, note down clearly. If anybody missed last class, yesterday class, you note down clearly and write spellings, correct spellings. And other thing, what is the most important part of the sentence? Yes, the verb. Verb is the most important part of a sentence. Verb is the most important part of a sentence. Okay, how many parts are there in the sentence? Every sentence has two parts. Every sentence has two parts. Every sentence has two parts. Yes, the first one, subject, and the other one, predicate. The children, every sentence has how many parts? Every sentence has two parts. The first one is subject, the other one is predicate. Yes, children, note it down these parts. All of you note down. A sentence, 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 group, 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 words, 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 write correct spellings, children, which, which, meaningfully, 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 and arrange, arrange. Yes, the next one, the cow gives milk, example. And what is that? Every sentence has two parts. One is subject, the other one is predicate. Okay, children? I hope all you are completed writing. Okay, children, very good. Yes, now what is subject? Now, what is subject? A subject is person or thing that does an action. Children, subject. A subject is person or thing that does an action. That's now predicate. Whatever we speak about, whatever we speak about, the subject is predicate. Children, please note it down. Okay? Every sentence has two parts. One is subject, the other one is predicate. A subject. A subject is personal thing that does an action. And what is predicate? Whatever we speak about the subject is predicate. I give one example. Yes. Here, he does an action. What he drives a car. His action drives a car. So, who does an action here? He. So, he is a subject here. Okay, next. All this part is predicate. Okay, children. Now, quickly write. Note down now. Write quickly. Here, subject SUV, JECT subject. Person, DERSON person. THING thing. THND dirt. DOES does. ACTION action. A subject is person or thing that does an action. And next, predicate. Whatever we speak about the subject is predicate. Whatever, WHAT, whatever, SPEAK, speak. That's an about, ABOUT, about. Subject, SUB, subject, and predicate, PREDICATE, predicate. Write carefully, children. Spellings, check it and write. Correct spellings only. And you have to pronunciate the letters and write all the spellings. Okay, children? Completed? And this definitions also you can write in the book, children. Okay. And today's topic is noun. What is today's topic? Parts of speech. What that? Parts of speech. Today's topic, parts of speech. Yes. How many parts of speech are there in English? Does anybody know how many parts of speech are there? Yes, I will tell you. There are 8 parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English. How many parts of speech are there in English? Children, all of you say it. There are 8 parts of speech in English. How many parts of speech are there in English? There are 8 parts of speech in English. Yes, tell me again, how many parts of speech are there? There are 8 parts of speech in English. THERE, there. Note down quickly, children. THERE, there. ARER, EIGHT, 8. EIGHT, 8. PARTS, parts. PARTS, parts. OFR, SPEECH, speech. SPEECH, speech. In ENGLISH, English. There are 8 parts of speech in English. How many parts of speech are there in English? There are 8 parts of speech in English. Okay. What is the spelling of speech? SPEECH, speech. S 8, EIGHT, 8. Okay. ENGLISH, English. There are 8 parts of speech are there in English. Okay, children. Yes, what is the first one? You know, children? Noun. Yes, you're right. Noun. N-O-U-N, noun. Say it all of you. N-O-U-N, noun. N-O-U-N, noun. N-O-U-N, noun. Say it and write it, children. N-O-U-N, noun. N-O-U-N, noun. Okay. What is the second one? P-R-O-N-O-U-N pronoun. P-R-O-N-O-U-N pronoun. P-R-O-N-O-U-N pronoun. What is the first one? N-O-U-N noun. N-O-U-N noun. And what is the second one? P-R-O-N-O-U-N pronoun. P-R-O-N-O-U-N pronoun. Okay, next what is the third one? V-E-R-B verb. V-E-R-B verb. V-E-R-B verb. Yes, what is the first one? N-O-U-N noun. What is the first one? N-O-U-N noun. N-O-U-N noun. What is the second one? P-R-O-N-O-U-N pronoun. What is the second one? P-R-O-N-O-U-N pronoun. And what is the third one? Verb. V-E-R-B verb. V-E-R-B verb. And what is the fourth one? A-D-V-E-R-B adverb. Yes, what is the fourth one? A-D-V-E-R-B adverb. Yes, again, what is the first one? N-O-U-N noun. N-O-U-N noun. P-R-O-N-O-U-N pronoun. Say it all of you. P-R-O-N-O-U-N pronoun. V-E-R-B verb. V-E-R-B verb. A-D-V-E-R-B adverb. A-D-V-E-R-B adverb. How many parts of speech are there in English? There are 8 parts of speech in English. Okay. What is the first one? Noun. Next, pronoun, verb, adverb. And what is the fifth one? A-D-J-E-C-T-I-V-E adjective. A-D-J-E-C-T-I-V-E adjective. A-D-J-E-C-T-I-V-E adjective. A-D-J-E-C-T-I-V-E adjective. Yes, what is that? A-D-J-E-C-T-I-V-E adjective. Yes, say pronunciation, children, must and should. What I am telling you have to say it after me, okay? Yes, N-O-U-N noun. N-O-U-N noun. P-R-O-N-O-U-N pronoun. P-R-O-N-O-U-N pronoun. V-E-R-B verb. V-E-R-B verb. A-D-V-E-R-B adverb. A-D-V-E-R-B adverb. A-D-J-E-C-T-I-V-E adjective. A-D-J-E-C-T-I-V-E adjective. And what is the next one? P-R-E-P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N preposition. P-R-E-P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N preposition. Yes. Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me. Tell me, what's the problem? Hello?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing, madam.
Okay. Thank you. Yes. P-R-E-P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N preposition. P-R-E-P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N preposition. And what is the first one? N-O-U-N noun. Second one, P-R-O-N-O-U-N pronoun. And what is the third one? V-E-R-B verb. What is the fourth one? A-D-V-E-R-B adverb. And what is that? Adjective. A-D-J-E-C-T-I-V-E adjective. And what is the sixth one? P-R-E-P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N preposition. Preposition preposition. And next one, conjunction. 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 Yes, what is the seventh one? Conjunction. Conjunction. And how many parts of speech are there in English? There are 8 parts of speech. Yes. What is the first one? Noun. 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 What is the second one? Pronoun. What is the third one? Verb. What is the fourth one? Adverb. Fifth one, adjective. 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 Preposition. 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 Conjunction. Conjunction. As 7 completed, now 10th one, the 8th one. What is that? Interjection. 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 As again, tell me children, how many parts of speech are there in English? There are 8 parts of speech in English. There are 8 parts of speech in English. Yes, what is the first one? Noun. Second one, pronoun. Third one, verb. What is the fourth one? Adverb. Adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Again, interjection spelling interjection. Interjection. Let's note down children clearly. 8 parts of speech fast. Right, all of you? 8 parts of speech. Note down. And the definition. This one also 8 parts. There are 8 parts of speech. In English also you can write. Okay, write fast. Yes, completed all. How many parts of speech are there in English? There are 8 parts of speech in English. How many parts of speech are there in English? There are 8 parts of speech in English. Yes, what are those? Tell me. There are noun, noun, pronoun, pronoun, verb, verb, adverb, adjective, adjective, preposition, preposition, conjunction, conjunction, interjection, interjection. Okay, children, have you all noted down? Completed? That's good. Read again. How many parts of speech are there in English? There are 8 parts of speech in English. You know what are those? Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So children, keep in mind all of you, these are very useful. You have to keep in mind each and every spelling and 8 parts of speech. If anybody asks, tell immediately 8 parts of speech are there in English, those are noun, pronoun, like that you tell. Okay children? Yes, noun, first you learn properly, then only you will get, you will tell easily if anybody asking. Okay children? Yes, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Yes, what are those? Tell me guys. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. How many parts of speech are there in English? There are 8 parts of speech in English. What are they? They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Okay children? And you should practice afterwards each one 10 or 5 or 10 times. Okay children? You are good at? Okay? Note down all the spellings clearly, conjunction spelling right properly, interjection also right, correct spellings. Okay children? You should practice. After I will ask you, should practice well at home. And you have to keep in mind all these 8 parts of speech. Okay? Yes. Note down children, 8 parts of speech. Tomorrow onwards I will explain one by one noun, pronoun like that. I will explain you. And learn date names and month names also children. All the spellings, learn. Okay? Once again, good afternoon. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Good afternoon, children. Okay. Good afternoon. Are you enjoying the English class? Okay. Now, already I told you in previous class about the number names. Everyone, I think that everyone noted in your books. If anyone missed that, I will explain again that the number names on the board. You have to copy that. Then I will go to the next topic. Okay? Start now. Number names. Where is the starting? It is starting from the. You have to start the spellings from 0 onwards. Okay? What is the 0 spelling? Z-E-R-O, 0. And O-N-E, 1. Okay, now I am writing on the board. In this first chapter, second class, you have only 2-digit numbers. So, I am clearly telling about that 2 digits only now. Not O-N-E, 1. Up to 2 digits. 1 digit onwards up to 2 digits. Okay? TW 2. THREE 3. Everyone note down Nana. Four. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, 11, 12, 13. In previous class, I told you to how to pronounce the number names. 13, T-H-I-R, T-E-E-N, 13, 1, 3, 13. 14, F-O-U-R, 4, T-E-E-N, teen, 14. F-O-U-R, 4, T-E-E-N, teen, 14. F-I-F, fifth, T-E-E-N, teen, 15. Read and write the number name. Read and write. F-I-F, fifth, T-E-E-N, teen, 15. S-I-X, 6. S-I-X, 6. T-E-E-N, teen, 16. Already you know that the spellings, but you have to recall that the spellings again because you are coming from the first class. That's the reason I am writing the number names again and again. You have to practice that again and again. Then you will not forget the number names. S-T-V-E-N, 7, T-E-E-N, teen, 17. E-I-G-H-T, 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8, E-E-N, teen, 18. N-I-N-E, 9, N-I-N-E, 9, T-E-E-N, 19. N-I-N-E, 9, T-E-E-N, 19. And the last here, up to 11 to 20, 20 is the last spelling. T-W-E-N, T-Y, 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Okay. Next, I will write that 32 counting in tens only spellings. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, na? I am writing only up to counting tens only. T-H-I-R-T-Y, T-H-I-R-T-Y, T-Y, 30. 40, F-O-R, T-Y-T, 40. 50, F-I-F, fifth, T-Y-T, 50. 60, S-I-X, 6, T-Y-T, 60. S-I-X, 6, T-Y-T, 60. Seventy, S-E-V-E-N, 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7, T-Y-T, 70. E-I-G-H, T-Y, 80. 90, N-I-N-E, 9, T-Y-T, 90. N-I-N-E, 9, T-Y-T, 90. Then 90 after counting in tens, what the number is coming? 100. It is a 3-digit number. Not on everyone. Then I will give you that the number names. In 20. What you are writing the number names on the 20, 21, 22, 23 like that. First you complete all these number names. Okay, once everyone read the spellings. O-N-E-1, T-W-O-2, read. T-H-R-E-E 3, F-O-U-R 4, F-I-V-E 5, S-I-X 6, S-E-V-E-N 7, E-I-G-H-T 8, N-I-N-E 9, T-E-N 10. E-L-E-V-E-N 11, T-W-E-L-V-E 12, T-W-E-L-V-E 12, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13, F-O-U-R 4, T-E-E-N teen 14, F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15, S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-E-N 18. You have to pronounce the number name very clearly, Nana. What the pronunciation is given there, you have to complete that the reading. Not 18, not like that. 18. If you are not pronounced it completely, it will maybe the sound like that 18. Okay? 18, 1, 8, 18. 19, N-I-N-E 9, T-E-E-N, teen, 19. 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. First I gave you here the main spellings. If you learn these, it is easy to write that combination of the spellings. It is easy to write that. If you know the 30 spelling, it is easy to write 31 because of already you know that the 1 to 9 spellings here. Okay? 30, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. 40, F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Not F-O-U-R, F-O-R-T-Y, 40. 50, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. 60, S-I-F-6-T-Y-T, 60. 70, S-T-V-E-N, 7, T-Y-T, 70. 80, E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. I think that everyone noted that the number means? Okay. Now I am rubbing the board. Okay, look at it. Here I stopped at the 20. Okay. Now complete that to 20 to 30 spellings. 20, 20. What the number is there? 21. You know that the 20 spelling. You have to write there 20 and 1. 21. 20. 1. T-W-E-N 20. O-N-E 1. Like that. 2. 22. So 20 spelling. First we have to write here. And 2 spelling. 22. 23. 20 spelling. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 and 3 spelling. Continue to write that the 3 spelling after the 20. 23. 24. 20. After you have to write that the 4 spelling. F-O-U-R 4. 24. 25. T-W-E-N-T-Y 25. 25. F-I-V-E 5. 25. 26. 20. After you have to write 6 spelling. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. S-I-X 6. 26. Next 27. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. 7. S-T-V-A-N 7. 27. 27. 28. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. E-I-G-H-T 8. 28. 29. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. N-I-N-E, 9. So up to here we completed that the spellings which are starting with the 20. So that are the 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. So it is the easy way to first you have to learn the when you learn that spellings 1 to 10, 11 to 20 and counting in tens 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Then it is easy to write that the every spelling, all the 2-digit numbers. Okay, children? Here, what is the number is given? Already you know that the reading of numbers in UKG and first class, you all learn very clearly that number reading. So here giving which number is there, you will identify that. The number is given there 23. So you have to write whatever you read there, you have to write the spelling only there. 23, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20, T-H-R-E-E, 3. Okay, children? Okay, no doubt. Okay, now I'm giving some numbers on the board. Remaining, you have to complete that. Starting with 30, 40, you have to complete today at in your rough books. Tomorrow I will ask everyone. Tomorrow, if next class, not that means when your second math class is there, in that day, I will write on the board some numbers. Okay? Not only sequence, in middle of the term, any numbers I will giving on the board, then you have to write the answers. So, now giving some numbers here, you have to read the numbers. What is this number? 27, 27. 27, 27. 38, 38. 38, 38. 46, 46. 46, 46. 5 to 52. 5 to 52. 6, 5, 65. 6, 5, 65. 7, 4, 74. 7, 4, 74. 8, 3, 83. 8, 3, 83. Okay. These are the numbers. These have only 2 digits. These all numbers have only 2 digits. These all numbers have only 2 digits. These all have 2 digits. That's the first digit. This is the ones place and this is the tens place. ones place and the tens place. 27. What you are reading at the number? 27. That means 20 and 7. That means 20 plus 7. Then you will get the 27. So once everyone read the numbers. 27. It has two digits. Every digit it has the places. The ones place is 7 and tens place is ones place is 7 and tens place is 2. And the 38. 38. Here ones place is 8 and tens place is 3. 46. Ones place is 6 and tens place is 4. 52. Ones place. In 52, ones place digit is 2 and tens place digit is 5. And 65. Ones place is 5, tens place is 6. And 74. Ones place digit is 4 and tens place digit is 7. 83. Ones place digit is 3 and tens place is 8. So everyone look at the board. Observe that it is the ones place and tens place. Ones place, tens. Ones, tens. So two digit numbers have only two digits. That places, two places. That places are ones and tens. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. Ones and tens. Okay? Okay, now come to the first number. 27. How you read the number? 27. 20. 20 and 7. 20 and 7. 27. That means 20 and 7. So this means 20 plus 7. 27. Here the first number is 27. It has two digits and the digits in the two places. The first place is ones place and the second place is tens place. The tens place number is 2 means 2 into 10. It means 20. And 7 into 1. It means 7. 27. This is the way to write the expanded form. When you read the number name very clearly, then you will get that the expanded form very perfectly. When you read the number very clear, 27, it has the expanded form. 20 and 7, 27. Then you have to observe this one, 38. 38. 38. That means 30 plus 8. 38. What you read that number, that spelling only, you are mentioning here. So 38, 30 and 8. So the expanded form is 30 plus 8. When you add these two numbers, then you will get the 38. 46. 46. 6 is in ones place. 4 is in tens place. 4 tens. 40. 40. And 6. 46. 52. 52. What I read? 52. What I read here, that only I am writing here. 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 52. 52. That means 50 plus 2. 52. 50 plus 2. 52. 5 is in tens place. 2 is in ones place. 65. Yes, sir. X T Y 60 F I V E 5 60 60 60 and 5 65 60 S the I X T Y 60 F I V E 5 65 and the next number 74 SCVEN 7 SCVEN 7 TYT 70 FOUR 4 74 SCVENTY 70 FOUR 4 74 70 70 70 and 4 74 70 and 4 74 83 EIGHTY 80 EIGHTY 80 EIGHTY 83 THREE 3 83 80 80 80 and 3 83 once I'm reading these all the number names once again. How to observe this? 27 here in this place, what may be given any 28, 29. Already you know that the 20 spelling, then you know that the 8 spelling. So you have to combine that both spellings. 20 here given only 27. So I wrote here 27. TWENTY 20 SEVEN 7 27 20 and 7 27 38 THIRTY 30 EIGHT 38 46 FORTY 40 SIX 6 46 FORTY 40 SIX 6 46 52 FIFTY 50 FIFTY 50 TWO 2 52 65 SIXTY 60 SIXTY 60 FIVE 5 65 74 STVENTY 70 SCVENTY 70 FOUR 4 74 83 EIGHTY 80 THREE 3 83 So everyone note down these all the number names and expanded forms in your notebook. Completed? Okay, some more numbers I am giving on the board. You have to write now. Note down. Okay, children. The first one is 39. 39. 39. 9 in ones place, 3 in tens place. 39. I'm writing only number name here first. 39. 3 is in tens place, 30. 3 tens are 30. 9. 39. 48. FORTY 40. Not FOURTY. FORTY 40. 8. EIGHT 8. 48. 96. 90 90 SIX 6. 96. 73. 70 70 THREE 3 73. NINETY 90 FOUR 94. NINETY 90 FOUR 94. I'm rubbing these counting in 10 spellings. Okay, these are the number names of the given numbers. So, what I told you before that, 39 means 30 and 9. 39. That means 3 tens and 9 ones. So, 9 in ones place, 9 ones. 3 is in tens place, 3 tens. Like that. 48. 40 plus 8. 48. 4 tens and 8 ones. 96. 90 and 6. 96. So 9 tens and 6 ones. 73. 70 plus 3. 7 tens and 3 ones. 94. 90 plus 4. 9 tens and 4 ones. So everyone copy this the numbers. Next class I will continue that about the expanded form clearly.